English Bosnian, make.
Praviti.
And do.
Raditi.
Fun, fast, and memorable. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready to level up your Bosnian with a smile? This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more goodies at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today we'll lock in make.
Praviti.
And do.
Raditi.
Plus the turbo useful forms.
Ti radiš. Mi radimo. Oni rade.
And.
To čini.
Buckle up, short, punchy, and fun. Your goal today. Let's set a simple, winnable target. By the end, you'll confidently say make as.
Praviti.
And do as.
Raditi.
You'll also use you do.
Ti radiš.
We do.
Mi radimo.
They do.
Oni rade.
And it makes.
To čini.
In quick, real situations. Mini dialogues. Listen in and repeat the Bosnian parts out loud. Yes, out loud. A. Can we make a plan? B. Sure, let's.
Praviti.
A plan now. A. What do we do first? B. Easy.
Mi radimo.
The checklist while.
Oni rade.
The setup. A. What are you doing? B. Right now.
Ti radiš.
The notes, all.
Raditi.
The slides. A. Tap this button. B. Whoa.
To čini.
The lights brighter. A. Coffee time? B. Absolutely.
Praviti.
Coffee is my superpower. Forms in action. Keep it simple. One verb, many wins. To make equals.
Praviti.
To do equals.
Raditi.
You do equals.
Ti radiš.
We do equals.
Mi radimo.
They do equals.
Oni rade.
It makes equals.
To čini.
Drill time. Quick call and response. Echo me with confidence. Repeat twice.
Praviti. Praviti.
Repeat twice.
Raditi. Raditi.
Say, you do.
Ti radiš.
Say, we do.
Mi radimo.
Say, they do.
Oni rade.
Say, it makes a difference.
To čini razliku.
Culture tip. A tiny slice of Bosnian life for flavor. In Bosnia, coffee is a mini ritual. Friends sit, chat, and plan. You'll hear action kickoffs like
Mi radimo.
Sada, and gentle questions like sta.
Radiš.
Keep your ears open. Daily life is your best classroom. Funny interlude. Language break. Tiny comedy, big memory. A robot tries to make coffee, but instead starts.
Praviti.
A tiny coffee factory. The cat supervises and proudly reports.
Oni rade.
You whisper.
To čini.
Morning's better, and steal the first espresso. Quick quiz. Answer fast. Instinct beats overthinking. Q1. Bosnian for make. A.
Praviti.
Q2. Bosnian for do. A.
Raditi.
Q3. How to say you do. A.
Ti radiš.
Q4. How to say we do. A.
Mi radimo.
Q5. How to say they do. A.
Oni rade.
Q6. Translate, it makes. A.
To čini.
Challenge round. Your turn, short and sweet. Say, we do the plan, they do the shopping. Hint.
Mi radimo.
Plan.
Oni rade.
Kupovinu. Say, it makes the soup perfect. Hint.
To čini.
Supu savrzinam. Say, I love to make cake. Keep the key verb. Hint. Valam.
Praviti.
Tortu. Say, you do the warm-up, I'll do the music. Hint.
Ti radiš.
Zagrađivanje, yaku.
Raditi.
Muziku. Wrap up. Nice work, tiny reps, big gains. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
Praviti. Raditi. Ti radiš. Mi radimo. Oni rade.
And.
To čini.
In your daily chats. For more English Bosnian lessons, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.